If you want to recover deleted photos or videos on OnePlus 15, here's what you can do. So for example, if you used this Blue Photos app in order to delete photos or videos, then in that case we can switch to albums, and then in here you can scroll down in order to find recently deleted. And there we go. Now in here we have all deleted photos and videos from the last 30 days. And if you want to recover something, you can for example open the photo and you can use this button, this circle with an arrow. Or you can press and hold your finger in order to select a photo or a video. Then you can select multiple photos or videos, and you can once again use the restore button at the bottom of the screen. On the other hand, if you used the Photos app by Google, then in this case we can go to collections, and at the top over here we have trash. And in here you can do pretty much the same thing. You can open the photo to find the restore button, or you can use select in the upper right corner and then select whatever you want to restore using the button at the bottom of the screen again. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.